Did you hear? Samsung has officially started rolling out the stable version of One UI 7, which is built on Android 15. After months of beta versions and leaked updates, the final version is now being released for select users. This isn't a trial or an early look. It's the actual update, and it's finally happening. The first rollout is happening for those who were part of Samsung's beta testing program, especially users of the Galaxy S24 series. If you're in that group, you might already see a small update available on your phone. This marks 4 months since Samsung first introduced the beta version with the launch of the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Now those same devices are getting the full version of One UI 7. Alongside them, the latest foldables, Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip Sticks, are also receiving the stable update. However, regular users, especially in places like South Korea and parts of Europe, might get a slightly larger update file as it includes all the finalized features. What's strange is that the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition didn't make the cut in this first batch. Samsung might be planning to release that version a little later. Meanwhile, some region-specific models like the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition have already started receiving the update. This shows Samsung is taking a step-by-step approach rather than releasing the update all at once. Now let's talk about what you'll actually see once you install One UI 7. Many of the features introduced with the upcoming Galaxy S25 series are now making their way to existing 2024 models. You'll notice smoother transitions, cleaner and more modern menus, better control over privacy, and improved system settings. Samsung is clearly working to make the overall experience feel faster and more responsive. But not every feature is available on every device. For example, the new Audio Eraser tool is limited to the latest flagship phones only. If your phone isn't on the list yet, don't worry. Samsung plans to release the update to more devices in the coming weeks. By the end of April, it should reach the Galaxy S23 series, the S23 Fan Edition, the S24 Fan Edition, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and the Galaxy Tab S10 lineup. In May, even more devices are expected to be added, including the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, the Tab S9 range, the Galaxy S22 models, the Tab S8, and some mid-range phones like the Galaxy A34, A35, A16, as well as region-specific devices like Quantum 5, Quantum 4, and older foldables like the Z Fold 3 and Flip 3. Samsung plans to complete most of the update process by June. That includes phones like the Galaxy A73, A53, A33, A25, A24, and A15, along with tablets like the Tab S9 Fan Edition, Tab A9, Tab A9 Plus, and even rugged models like the Tab Active series. So local variants like Jump 3, Buddy 3, and Quantum 3 are also part of the plan. If you're not sure whether your phone is ready for the update, just go to Settings, then Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. It's always a good idea to back up your data before installing anything major. If you're more tech-savvy, you'll soon find the Android 15 firmware files on Sammobile for manual flashing. Keep in mind that Samsung doesn't release updates to everyone at the same time. Different regions and carriers may see the update earlier or later, so even if someone in another country already has it, you might have to wait a bit longer. Patience really is key here. Even though One UI 7 is just rolling out, Samsung is already preparing for what comes next. The next version, One UI 8 based on Android 16, is in the works and is expected to launch later this year with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates like this.